May I get in, sir?
Please, please. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Susmit Pradhan.
No, sir. Anwesh Mishra.
Anwesh Mishra.
Yes, sir.
You are from Balangir, na?
Yes, sir.
There is one Tantra Pitha in Balangir.
Yes, sir.
Can you say where it is located?
Sir, it's the Chosati Yogini.
Where it is located?
Sir, it's located near Kontamanji.
Kontamanji.
Yes, sir.
There is one more such place in Odisha. Where it is?
Sir, I will have to look into it, sir.
Hala? In Odisha, there are two Tantra Pithas. One
Yes.
in Balangir,
Yes, sir.
another in Khurda district, near Bhubaneswar.
Yes, sir.
Chosati Yogini, near Hirapur.
Yes, sir.
What are the places of tourist interest in Balangir?
Sir, we have the famous Harishankar temple, which is very famous all over the Odisha. We have also other places like the recently developed Suktil Dam has been developed as a tourist place. So that is also very important. And we have various other smaller places that are locally very widely known, sir. Like the Gandhamardhan hills are also very...
Achha, can you tell me what is the smallest unit of administration in a district?
Sir, it will be the Panchayat, sir.
Panchayat.
Yes, sir.
What is Gram Sabha?
So Gram Sabha is a congregation of all the registered voters in a village.
Congregation of?
All the registered voters in a village, sir.
Does they congregate automatically or it is convened?
No, sir, it is convened.
Who convenes it?
So I will have to look into it, but I believe it will be the Sarpanch.
What is three-tier Panchayat Raj system?
So the three-tier Panchayati Raj system was evolved from the 73rd and 74th Amendment Act, in which the local administration was developed through the three-tier Panchayati Raj system, which has the Gram Sabha and the Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, then the Jilla Panchayat at the three levels, sir.
Is the concept of Gram Swaraj as propounded by our father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi has any relevance with Gram Sabha?
Sir, it is similar in spirit. It is in the spirit that the Mahatma Gandhi evolved the concept, but it has very many operational differences in the way it has been instituted after independence.
Very good. Why of late we are witnessing a number of suicidal deaths? What is its social cause?
So there are many reasons. Suicidal deaths have been increasing among farmers for one reason, among students for another.
No, by self-immolation.
Self-immolation. So recently we had the case of a female person who self-immolated due to alleged sexual harassment by her teacher. I think such cases represent the lack of social sanction against these acts, which is created by the absence of quick and effective justice for the victims.
Yeah, apart from that, female student, certain other self-immolation cases have also been reported. Why it is occurring? Why
Sir,
people are after self-immolation?
Sir, it is because of the helplessness that people feel in certain situations.
What is Khap Panchayat?
Sir, Khap Panchayat is a community-based feudal organization, especially prevalent in North India, in the Punjab, Haryana region. It sanctions social acts and prescribes punishment for alleged transgressions.
Do Balangir has any such panchayat, informal justice rendering institution?
So there are informal organizations, but their relevance and effectiveness is questioned because of the prevalence of modern constitution-based legal systems. Sir.
Is bonded labor still in force in Balangir district?
So it's not in force in Balangir district itself, but a lot of the migrant labor that goes away from Balangir still faces the problems of bonded labor in other states. Sir.
What about Lower Suktel project?
So the Lower Suktel project was envisaged in 1998. It was recently completed prior to the 2024 elections.
Completed in all respect?
No, sir, not in all aspects. It has been operationalized, but its full implementation is yet to be done.
They have discharged water in the canal,
Sir, in a limited capacity.
or limited patch.
Yes, sir.
Achha. What is delimitation of constituency?
So, delimitation of constituency is pursuant to Article 82 and 170 of the Constitution, in which parliamentary and assembly constituencies are demarcated on the basis of population and other characteristics.
What is the necessity of such delimitation?
So, to ensure that one person gets one vote which has one value, and everyone is equally represented in the constituency.
Okay, Anwesh.
Yes, sir.
You have been schooled, you have been postgraduated, I think, no, graduated
Graduates.
from Hindu College,
Yes.
okay, under Delhi University. Also, your plus 2 you have done from DAV Public School.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, anyhow, you are connected frequently with Hindu and Hindu.
Yes.
What do you mean, how do you see the difference between Hinduism and Hindutva?
Sir, Hinduism is the civilizational identity that has been developed over millennia, which is part of the religious fabric of India. But Hindutva is a political ideology that developed in the early 20th century and is institutionalized in various organizations.
Okay. So, how can you explain Hindu nationalism?
Sir, Hindu nationalism is a brand of nationalism in India which puts primacy on Hindu identity over all others and establishes India as a civilizational state.
Does it accept secularism, Hindu nationalism? Does it accept secularism or not?
Sir, it accepts the integrationist principle of secularism in which all identities are considered a part of the Hindu identity.
Okay, very good. You are a student of history.
Yes.
You have opted history as your optional.
Yes, sir.
Who is Arnold J. Toynbee and what is his contribution to history?
So, Arnold Toynbee was a British historian who is very famous for his historical works. I will have to look into his specific contributions to history.
Yeah.
Sir.
So, how he made a comprehensive study about how many cultures and civilizations of the world. Arnold J. Toynbee studied how many civilizations of the world. Any idea?
No, sir, I'll have to look into it.
How do you see the difference between culture and civilization? Is there any difference between culture and civilization?
Yes, sir. Culture is more short term in perspective, in which in the way in which people live their lives, but civilization is a long term identity that develops over millennia.
Okay, so culture is basically the tangible aspect of a society or intangible aspect of a
Sir,
society?
culture can be intangible as well.
Culture, civilization?
So, civilization is intangible.
Civilization is always intangible.
Sir, there are always exceptions. For example,
Generally, culture is tangible or civilization is tangible? Which one is tangible, which one is
Sir,
intangible?
culture will be more tangible.
Culture would be more tangible. Are you sure?
So, in my thinking, yes.
But you are wrong. What do you mean by kangaroo court?
Kangaroo court is essentially a sham, is a court that provides sham justice just for the sake of providing justice without adhering to the principles of rule of law.
Okay, so just tell us, just explain us regarding you in terms of three concepts. Just using three concepts or three words, explain yourself to us.
So the first would be perseverance.
Okay.
The second would be innovation, and the third would be creativity.
Okay. How can you explain our motherland India in terms of a single word?
Sir,
Motherland India in single word.
sir, eternity.
Sorry?
Eternity. Sir.
Eternity. Okay. Just tell us why we will select you for Odisha Civil Service.
Sir, I believe due to my exposure to various cultures and societies and my particular interest and practice of history, I think I bring a knowledge set and a creative thinking and critical thinking ability that will serve well for the Odisha Administration Service.
What do you mean by crisis of conscience?
Crisis of conscience.
Conscience. Or you say conscience?
Conscience. So crisis of conscience is when a person is forced to do an action which is against his or her own conscientious view. So an example would be if suppose a businessman in Nazi Germany is forced to put out the Jews to the government.
Forget about that. Just tell us in your personal lives when you experience that crisis of conscience. In your personal life, in any situation that you experience crisis of conscience.
Sir, while preparing for this exam, there were many times in which my family members got sick or they needed to be tended to, but due to the rigors of the examination, I was not able to do justice to that. So that
Okay, very good.
Anwesh, can you name two famous alumni from your college, Hindu college?
So there are many famous people from my college. So the first would be Mr. Subramaniam Swamy. He is a member of parliament, and another would be Bikram Misri. He is the current foreign secretary of India. Sir.
Okay. Subramaniam Swamy is the current MP, sitting MP now.
Sir, I don't know if he is the current MP, but he was a member of parliament.
Okay, fine. Any Indian who has got 2025 Booker Prize?
So I will have to read about it.
Okay, fine. Recently, we have passed Online Gaming Act 2025,
Yes.
which banned all types of real money involved gaming applications.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Two demerits can you highlight?
So the first is that it has caused a lot of economic damage because certain companies like Dream11, they were generating a large amount of revenue as well as providing employment to a large number of people. So that is one demerit, sir. So the second is that it also does not speak very well about the policy continuity of India because since these organizations had already invested a lot, it gives a significant setback to investor confidence.
Okay, fine. What is this graded action plan with respect to graded response action plan with respect to air pollution, air
So
quality index?
The GRAP is instituted in the Delhi NCR region to control air pollution according to the AQI levels that have been measured.
Okay, okay. Who are the members in the selection committee of the Election Commission of India?
So the selection committee.
Ah,
So the selection committee has a Prime Minister of India, a minister nominated by the Prime Minister, and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha.
okay, okay. Why it is in controversy?
So it was in controversy because the Supreme Court in Anup Baranwal judgment said that the selection should the selection committee should consist of the Prime Minister, a minister nominated, the Prime Minister, the leader of opposition, and the Chief Justice of India, which was further changed by the Parliament through the bills.
Okay, fine. Thank you. Your interview is over. So your feedback session. Yes.
1 minute. You are a history student.
Yes, sir.
I have one more question to you.
Yes.
Why Humayun tumbled out of his life?
Sir, Humayun's story, it was the historian Stanley Lane Poole who said that Humayun tumbled out of his life. It was because his own journey was full of failures in one way or another, and he finally died because of his fall in the library. So
Thank you. हठात मन पेला हमको हिस्ट्री पिला था पाइबनी पाइ पचेरिया
Anwesh, first of all, your sitting posture. You have to sit straight.
yes, sir.
ଆପଣ ହାତ ବି ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟାକୁ ଆଭଏଡ୍ କରିବେ while you are speaking. ଆପଣ ଗୋଡ଼ ଯୋଉ ଦୁଇଟା ଏମିତି ନଟ୍
Cross କରନ୍ତୁ, ଗୋଡ଼ cross
କରିକି
Shoes ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଆସିବେ, shoes
हाँ,
ପିନ୍ଧିକି।
sir, हाँ, sir.
ଆଇ
ଡ୍ରେସଟା
କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ
ଟିକେ ଏଇ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଯିବେ
ना सर, ना सर.
ଆଇ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ଇଜ୍ ମଷ୍ଟ ୱିଥ୍ ଅଲ୍ ପ୍ୟାନେଲିଷ୍ଟ ଓକେ ହାତ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବେନି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଯୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆନ୍ସର ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ସିମ୍ପଲି ସେଡ୍ नो सर ओके सो बेटर यू जस्ट गो फॉर इट सॉरी सर आई वुड लुक इनटू इट
Yes.
नो सर आई मीन shows kind of this thing ठीक अछि I don't care if I do not know
ना सर.
simply graduate
You would do wonder. Okay, you would do wonder in interview. If you
Sir, I
IAS,
have appeared.
you go for IAS.
I appeared it on the August 31st. I have appeared the mains.
Okay, you would finally would be selected for UPSC. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
But culture civilization with difference ta jani na.
Yes, I will.
culture टा होची सबले inner aspect, civilization is outer aspect. Man has a body, so nation has a body, that is culture. So that is civilization, that can be seen, breathes, carries. Okay, but man has a soul, so nation has a soul, that is culture.
Yes.
Remember, body and soul. This is the linkage between civilization and culture.
Yes, sir. I will read it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All the best.